Is your phone moving slowly? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 things that makes your phone lag and how to fix it. There's a way that your phone will lag, you feel like there's some spirit behind it. But today I'm going to show you how to fix it and make your phone still run faster. There are 3 major things that cause your phone to lag, and I'm going to share these 3 things with you. And I'm still going to put you through the 3 things to do so that you can avoid them. Alright, I'm Eagle Tech if you're new to this channel, and we talk about anything related to tech, AI updates, all of this stuff, so you'll be getting it right in this channel. So but don't forget to hit that subscribe button and on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our updates. Number one reason is due to the background processing apps. I call it the background process. If you follow me for some time, you realize that I have previously made a video on how you can stop your phone from lagging, but this is just an enhanced video on how to do that. Any app you use, make sure you close it. And if you want this thing to stop actually, what you have to do is open your device, go to settings. Once you go to settings, then look for Google. You understand? So once you good for Google, you see it, or account, Google or account. If you're using old version of phone, you realize it's just Google and account. Any place you can find the account, just scroll down, you see background processing apps. The sync automatically sync. Just disable the auto sync. Once it is disabled, while message are coming, none of those messages will appear on your phone until you open that application specifically. And if they are running in the background, like if you just on your data, your Facebook message will be coming in, your Instagram message will be coming in, same with your X, same with your WhatsApp and all of those stuff. Why won't your phone lag? If you are the phone that you have much load on your head, won't you lag? No, let's just tell ourselves the truth. You lag, right? So that's the reason why this thing is one of the things that you must avoid so that you will be able to have your phone process faster. Alright? So the second thing that makes our phone lag is storage overload. I also call it cache buildup. Reason is because once you use a particular app for some time or you stop using the application for some time, there's some build-up cache that we forget to delete. If you go to your storage, open your settings and go to storage, you realize that there is an option. Once you tap on any application on your Android device, you realize that you will have access to clear your cache, clear your storage, all of these things. But most times you don't really know what it means and how to use it. Whenever you use an application and you feel like, no, my phone is now lagging, all of these things, open the particular application, check all your applications, clean up the cache. Nothing will be deleted in your phone, but those temporal files that are just consuming your space, you must delete them manually. They can't automatically delete. Even if you stop using that application for months and you leave the cache, it will still be there. It's temporal, but it's not going to delete automatically. So today, open down your settings and go clean up the cache. Let's go. The third reason why your phone lags is because of outdated software and our settings. Most times you realize that your setting, most of the applications you use on your phone, you don't update them. Even though update is provided, you don't hit to that, you don't even update your applications. But you need to update. The reason why you need to update is because when the developer find out that this particular application is having some issue in this particular direction, they'll try to rebuild it and make it function well in the other direction that is no longer functioning well previously. But if you don't update your apps, that means it will be consuming the same lot of space or lagging your phone as it was doing before. So make sure you go check out, clean your space and all of these things and update your application regularly. Alright? So, and as well, if you're using animation on your phone, if you are using animation on your phone, you need to stop that if you want your phone to last long. Not even the lagging again, even your battery should last. All of these things, they affect both our battery and the lag of the phone, oh, so to say. All right, so make sure you clean up your cache. As I always say, clean up your cache and make sure you update your application. If you're no longer using the application, delete it. Yes, delete it. If at all you have to leave it on your phone, make sure you freeze it, because when you freeze it, it will look as if this one is no longer at use for that moment, so it doesn't consume any space, it doesn't do anything in the phone. It's just like someone that is put in the prison. Can you do anything? You can answer that, right? So make sure you do all these 3 things. Make sure you follow all of them. If you couldn't understand anything, go through this video once again. And once you go through this video, I believe you will understand, and that your phone will stop lagging. I'm Eagle Tech. I talk about tech related updates. And if you got value from this one, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on notification bell so you miss out on more of our updates. See you guys in my next video. I'm Ego Tech. Bye.